Hi friends, welcome to First Motors. Today I'll have short lecture on how to bid on Heydealer. My partner, my manager, Pahim from Afghanistan, he is with me.
Hi, welcome to First Motors. Thank you so much, boss. Today I'm gonna receive a lecture on how to bid or deal in Heydealer. It's an auction which is done every day, so we will see how to bid on this.
Okay, what I want to tell about the Heydealer becomes the biggest auction in Korea. It's a private auction, but becomes a major auction, especially for German cars, the cars from abroad. It becomes #1 auction in Korea. So if you want to buy cars at wholesale price, more cheaper price, I recommend you to buy cars from Heydealer. Okay, let's go. For Heydealer, you have to go to dealer.heydealer.com. Okay, when you go to dealer.heydealer.com, you will see this screen and you have to put my ID and password. If you put password now, you log in. Actually this ID is one of my manager's ID. We have two IDs, mine and my manager's. We'll use this one. When you click this one, especially also you can use Google Translation. If you go to Heydealer, now you can see auction house, my bid. You can check our record, my deal, purchase price, warning status. Let's go to auction house. When you go to auction house, now you can see three categories here. One is borrow, direct auction. There is a winning price. When you pay the amount, you will buy this one. And then we have zero. Zero car means the Heydealer actually send their mechanics to check the car. And then they made a report. You don't need to go to inspect the car. Through the evaluation, you bid it. And then there is another car, we call it self car. Self car, there is no report of the car condition. That is why we dealers should go to the car and then we have to inspect. So that is self car. So we have three categories. If you go to your manufacturer model, what do you like to see? Let's say I like Audi, and then let's say go to Audi Q7. Okay, so in this way you can choose your cars here.
Yes.
And then if you go to also you can choose the model, little older one, cheaper one. Let's say 2011, right? Yes. The mileage 139,000, good mileage. This one 2011, but the mileage 269,000. Yes. So which one do you want to buy? Let's say this one. So when you click this one, this is zero car. So you can check the car through the car photos. You can check it, right? And then more important thing is that this one, and you see the anatomy of this car. So this one completely accident free, right? Accident free car. There is exterior and then wheel scratches. The scratches doesn't exist, which means good, right? Only two wheels, there are minor scratches. Tire condition, car keys, how many car keys? 2 pieces. And this one is more important one. Other comments from appraisers. Now the examinees, they made a report. Bonnet also, PPF is applied, right? So they put the films there, and then customer's description. So as you read this condition, now you are making your bidding price. How much you want to put?
This should be
now. How much you want to put? That is quite important, right? But how do you know the car price in Korea? Because you have to bid upon the car price of the Korea, right? So here. N-car retail price.
Yeah.
If you click N-car retail price, now this car, the problem is there is no car on the market because this is very rare. So in this way, we go back and then you are making your own bidding price. After that, now we can put the price.
Yes.
Actually, I want to buy it. I say I want to put 5 million.
5 million.
Okay. I click. That means I join the bidding. If I'm the first winner, I'll get this car. If not, I'm not. But this car, I think my price is a little low. If I want to win it, I think I have to put at least 6 million. So you have to know the market price, how to win.
Now, when the result will be announced, the result?
This one, there is a time limit. 20 hours later, we can see. And this one, 12 people join.
Joined already the bidding.
And then 37 dealers, they check the car. So in this way, we are making our bidding. But let's check with another common model. Let's Mercedes-Benz E-Class, popular one, W14, let's say this one, 2024, right? This is self car. So the owner, the seller mark, this one is replaced and so on, the car.
But still we have to go and directly check it because it doesn't have an official report.
Yeah, this one we have to go and report, and then we can check the car prices through N-car.
Yeah, retail price.
Yeah, retail price. So as you see, retail price 82 million, 83 million, 24, 7,000, 24, 8,000, low mileage, right?
Yeah.
So these are price 82 million, 84 million. Now in this way, when you go back to this one 16,800 right?
Yeah, it's very.
So the mileage is little higher than the other cars, right? In N-car, right? Because in N-car, the cheapest one is 82 million won,
Yes.
82.5 million won, but this one, the mileage, only 73,000. But this one, you can make your price at least 10% lower than market price, 82 million minus 8 million, so 72 million, something like that.
Yeah, even if the car has a problem, we have to consider the cleaning cost or the repairing.
Of course. So you can put your price, so you can bid like this one. So in this way, you are making your own price and you can join the bidding. So this Heydealer auction, I think this is the best auction, and this way you can join the bidding. Now we check the self car. Now we're gonna check one more zero car. Let's go to this one. This is zero car, which means that examined by the technicians, right?
Yeah.
2000, also 24 model, 120,000 kilometer, right? And then also more important thing is that when you click this one, original information, because the registering date and then manufacture date is different,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
When you go here, date of production. So for export, this is more important. So
Yeah.
24 April. But the first registration in Korea, November. So for the German cars, usually 3 to 4 months, but sometimes like 6 months or even 1 year difference we can find. So registration date and then manufacture date is quite different, right? And then let's see the comments from the operators. Trunk door adjustment, right? Only the trunk door is adjusted. And then this one, painted, right? Painted and sheeted. Okay, so with this condition, you are making your own price and how much you put. Also, we can check the N-car retail price, and you go to N-car retail price with the similar cars. You can find this one only 4,700 kilometer lower. This one 22,000. But this one, as you see, this one is all lease, so we can skip lease. Except lease, the cheapest one is 58.5 million, right? And then this is mileage, right?
Yeah.
So this mileage again 59. So the retail market is about this price, 58, 59. Similar condition, but with one painting, right? So you can make it a little 10% lower. So this one you can bid like 53 million and so on. So anyway, as you see, if you go through auctions, you can buy at more cheaper price.
Yeah, affordable prices.
Right.
Thank you so much.
So we simply checked a few cars only, but as we examine together the Heydealer auction, when you put the price, if you know the retail market in Korea, you can make it 5 to 10% lower. Okay, if the car condition is very good, you can make only maybe 5% lower. But when you see the problems and so on, even 10 to 15% lower, you can join the bidding. And then if you win it, of course, you can make the price cheaper.
There is another question. When we bid in Heydealer or any other auctions, are there any other costs that we have to pay beside the car price that we win?
There is a Heydealer fee.
Heydealer fee.
Heydealer fee also you can find from Heydealer website. When you go to announcement, it tells about charges, how much we charge. According to the winning price, there is a Heydealer fee. So you are paying additional Heydealer fee. So this is very clear.
According to the winning price.
Yeah, according to winning price, let's say if this one is a higher price, 40 million, you are paying 500,000 won as a Heydealer fee. And then you will pay also delivery fee as well.
Yeah.
So you will add about, it's upon your price, 300,000 won to like 500,000 won, you pay additionally as a Heydealer fee.
So it's very clear, and we have to pay it beside the price.
And then also one of the main reasons that why I emphasize not only the price is cheap, because many dealers actually asking me a discount. But as we sell cars from retail market, it's not easy to make discount, only little discount only. So if you want to make more discount, make it auction. When you buy cars from auctions, it's very transparent, okay? The price is open. You can check the price through website. So you and I, we don't need to somehow mingle with how to negotiate the price and so on. So I want to recommend you, this is the best way to buy cars, especially if you buy cars like less than 5 years old. I strongly recommend auctions, really. If car is very old, more than 15 years maybe, and so on, it's not easy because we have to know the car condition. But if it's less than 5 years old, all car condition, we can say they are very good. Rely on this report and then we can buy cars, no problem. And then at better price, cheaper price.
Thank you so much, boss. And I have learned a lot. Thank you.
Okay.
I hope to make good bidding in the future.
Okay.
As you said to me before, also I have to gain experience because purchasing car through auction also need experience. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.
I hope that.
Yeah, thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much.